A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today the topic of our class is understanding division. That is chapter number 6 and you can find that on page number 87. Dear Goenkans, today you will be able to solve division problems with the help of properties of division. Yes, we are going to learn today properties of division. So, let us learn about the first property, that is division by 1 property. When you are having number 1 as your divisor. What is divisor? The number by which we divide. If we divide a number by 1, whenever you will find a question that is having a divisor, that is being divided by 1 into one group, the quotient is the number itself. For example, if we are having a number 7,542 and we divide it by 1, that means the quotient is the number itself, 7,542. Okay, this was regarding division by 1 property. Now, division by itself property means when you are going to divide a number, for example 2751 by the number itself, means divisor and dividend is same equal number. Then dear students, you will remember the quotient is 1. Okay, so what is division by itself property? If we divide a number by the number itself, here we have divided this number by the same number, the quotient is 1. Now come to third property, dividing any number by 0, or you can remember it dividing by 0 property. Division of a number by 0 is meaningless. If you are given with 27 divided by 0, it is having no meaning. Meaningless it is. You are being told to distribute 27 toffees between no one. Okay, then you are being instructed to tell now how many toffees each group is having. There is no group, so no question arises of having a sweet or a toffee or a chocolate. Okay, so it is meaningless. That means you can't divide a number by 0. Okay, now come to fourth property, division of 0. In the third property, 0 was your divisor, but here 0 is your dividend. You are dividing 0 into number of groups, splitting the number 0 into many groups. Okay, so division of 0 by any number property says 0 divided by any number, let the number be 31, is equal to 0. Okay, so you have to learn dividing 0, division by 0. Division by 0 is meaningless. Dividing 0 will give you the quotient 0 back. Now, we will solve our exercise 5 that says you have to fill in the blanks using the properties of division that we learnt just now. What is 0 divided by 2? I told you when 0 is your dividend, then your quotient is 0. That was our fourth property that we learnt just now. So 0 is the correct answer, is the quotient. 9 divided by 1. This is the first property, division by 1 property. Whenever you divide any number, the number here is 9. It is the dividend by 1. When 1 is the divisor, the quotient is the number itself. That is the dividend. Now C. 16 divided by 16. This question is testing your property, that is dividing a number by the number itself. When your dividend is equal to divisor, then the quotient will be 1. Because 16 1 are 16. Now D part, 0 divided by 10. Again your dividend is 0, so our quotient is 0. That is the property we learnt just. Now 10 divided by 1. When you divide any number by 1, when 1 is your divisor, then the quotient is the number itself, that is the dividend. Okay, so you will write 10 in the blank. Now 0 divided by 6. Again 0 is dividend, that is it is not meaningless. 0 divided by 6 is the number 0 itself. Okay, you are dividing 0 and that gives you a quotient of 0. When you are dividing by 0, that is meaningless. Now my dear students, I instruct you to do the remaining part of exercise 5 of page number 87 in your maths textbook very neatly. And this was all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you all.